Happy Saturday morning to all of you. I'm Mr. Ish. Very quickly, and I mean very quickly, we're looking here at the simplest way to remember inflection point determination, or how it is you will determine an inflection point for a curve. Our curve or function here is sine x over that limited domain pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2. When you're thinking about inflection point, you want to get up to the second order derivative. Your first order derivative here would be just cosine x. The second order derivative here will be the derivative of that, which would be minus sine x. Your tip over here, or what you need to remember, is the second order derivative, the value or the critical value where it equals 0, that value of x is your inflection point. And you would take this equation minus sine x and you'll equal it to 0, and you'll solve for x, which you know here can be either 0 or pi or 2 pi's or multiples of that. But you have to pick the right value. It has to be pi because it falls right here in our domain. And this right here would be our inflection point. If you were to graph it, pi over 2 is 1, 3 pi over 2 is a minus 1. You have a curve which is looking like this. You can take this value right here and put it in your original function, and you'll get pi comma 0. That right here is your inflection point, x and y value, which is right over here. What exactly is inflection point? It is that point where you have a concavity down, in this case changed to a concavity up. We're going here from a concavity down to a concavity up. But it could have been a flip, concavity up to concavity down. But that is, in essence, is the inflection point. One form of concavity is converting or changing into another concavity. What will be your intervals here? Well, you know, you're looking here at a concavity down. You're going here from pi over 2. We can put a square parentheses here. And then we're going up to pi. Then we're transitioning to a concavity up from pi, but up to 3 pi over 2. Remember again, the second order derivative equaling to 0, you solve for x, that'll be your inflection point. Inflection point will also be a transition from one concavity to the other. That's all you have to remember with regards to this. Thank you for watching.